Okay, we're back with our swimmer with shoulder pain. We're going to do a lower trapezius activation to help us use the range of motion that we just got. Start by externally rotating the arm, and then from this position, make sure the elbow stays locked. I'm going to have her activate her opposite gluteus maximus, which helps to stiffen the thoracolumbar fascia and also helps stabilize the pelvis on the table. This is also what she does when she swims. We're going to do some active assisted. I'm going to cue the scapula down and back with my right hand by squeezing the scapula towards the opposite hip, and then do an isometric hold and let her just sit there for a second and feel that muscle working. We then transition into active range of motion where she has to take her arm through that full range of motion, and I'm going to cue the scapula down and back. And then as she releases, bring the scapula up and forward to get the full range of motion of the lower trapezius.